burning oil, blue smoke, losing power. Those are three of the most common symptoms of bad piston rings. Ignore them, and an engine repair can easily cost you thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll show you the 5 most common symptoms of bad piston rings and how to avoid spending money on unnecessary repairs. What do piston rings do? Before we get into the symptoms, let's take a quick look at what piston rings actually do. Piston rings seal combustion pressure and keep engine oil where it belongs. The compression rings seal the combustion chamber, while the oil control ring keeps excess oil from entering it. When these rings wear out or break, compression escapes and oil starts burning inside the engine. Now let's look at the warning signs you'll notice behind the wheel. Symptom number 1 is excessive oil consumption. If you're adding oil every few hundred or thousand miles but don't see any leaks under your car, worn piston rings could be the culprit. As the rings wear out, engine oil slips into the combustion chamber and burns during combustion. Over time, your oil level drops much faster than normal. Keep in mind that valve stem seals, turbochargers, or other engine problems can also cause oil consumption. But if you're constantly adding oil with no visible leaks, worn piston rings should definitely be on your list of suspects. Adding oil every week, don't ignore it. That brings us to symptom number 2, blue exhaust smoke. Blue or bluish-gray smoke almost always means your engine is burning oil. When piston rings wear out, oil slips past the rings and enters the combustion chamber, where it burns along with the air-fuel mixture. You'll usually notice the smoke during hard acceleration when climbing a hill or after the engine has been idling. Blue smoke from the exhaust isn't normal, and unfortunately, it usually gets worse over time. Symptom number 3 is a noticeable loss of engine power. The engine can no longer hold combustion pressure. Instead of pushing the piston down, that pressure escapes past the worn rings. The result is low compression, sluggish acceleration, poor throttle response, and reduced engine performance. You may notice the car struggling to climb hills, merge onto the highway, or accelerate quickly. Low compression is one of the strongest indicators of worn piston rings, although other engine problems can also produce similar symptoms. Symptom number 4 is oil-fouled spark plugs and engine misfires. As oil continues burning inside the cylinders, it coats the spark plugs with oily carbon deposits. A fouled spark plug can't produce a strong spark, causing the engine to misfire. You'll often notice rough idling, hesitation, shaking, poor acceleration, or a flashing check engine light. Replacing the spark plugs may temporarily improve the problem, but if the piston rings are still worn out, the new plugs will quickly become contaminated again. Symptom number 5 is excessive engine blow-by. When combustion gases escape past the worn piston rings, they enter the crankcase instead of staying inside the combustion chamber. This increases crankcase pressure. The PCV system is designed to remove a small amount of pressure, but excessive blow-by can overwhelm the system. Over time, the extra pressure forces oil past valve cover gaskets, crankshaft seals, and other engine seals, leading to external oil leaks. Fixing the oil leaks alone won't solve the problem if excessive blow-by is caused by worn piston rings. How to confirm the problem? The good news? You don't have to tear your engine apart just to find out what's wrong. A couple of simple tests can point you in the right direction before you spend money on major repairs. The first step is a compression test. Healthy compression varies by engine, but all cylinders should have readings that are close to one another. If one cylinder has significantly lower compression, mechanics often perform a wet compression test by adding a small amount of engine oil into that cylinder. If the compression reading increases noticeably, worn piston rings become much more likely. To confirm exactly where the pressure is escaping, a cylinder leak-down test is generally the most accurate diagnostic test. Unlike a compression test, it helps identify whether the leak is coming from the piston rings, valves, or head gasket. That's why professional mechanics often use both tests together before recommending an engine rebuild. Let's talk about the bottom line. Replacing piston rings is one of the most labor-intensive engine repairs you can face. In most cases, the engine has to be removed and either rebuilt or replaced. The exact cost depends on the engine design, labor rates, and the overall condition of the engine. Because of the amount of labor involved, repairs can easily run into the thousands of dollars. If your vehicle has high mileage, compare the cost of rebuilding your engine with installing a quality used or professionally remanufactured engine. Sometimes replacing the engine is actually the more cost-effective option. The earlier you catch the problem, the more repair options you'll usually have. Let's quickly recap the 5 most common symptoms of bad piston rings. Excessive oil consumption, blue exhaust smoke, loss of engine power, oil-fouled spark plugs and engine misfires, excessive blow-by. If you're experiencing several of these symptoms together, it's time to have your engine properly tested. Which symptom are you seeing on your vehicle? Burning oil, blue smoke, loss of power, or something else? Leave your vehicle's year, make, model, mileage, and symptoms in the comments below. If I can point you in the right direction, I'll do my best to help. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Symptoms Guide, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future diagnostic guides. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.